In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the font size bigger on your iPhone. So in order to do this, we need to head over to the settings icon on your phone. Scroll all the way down to Control Center and click this. Then scroll down once more until you see text size, and you need to add this to your controls just by pressing the green plus symbol next to text size. Then scroll up to the top and now you can see text size has been added to our controls. So now when we head over to our Control Center, which you can do just by dragging down your finger on your iPhone, you'll see now right at the bottom we have this option to change the text size. So if I go ahead and select that, you can see that I can either increase or decrease the font size. Now you can choose to do this for all apps, which is what I have selected at the moment, or you can just change this for a specific application by coming over to the left. Obviously I'm on my settings menu at the moment, so this will only adjust the text size of my settings menu. Now if you wanted the text size even bigger than what can be displayed here, then we can head back over to our settings menu, back over to settings, scroll down to accessibility and click this, click on display and text size, click on larger text. You can see this is currently turned off. So we need to enable this option by toggling it on, and right at the bottom down here with this slider you can either increase or decrease the font size. Now this is particularly useful if you're perhaps an elderly person and you want to make the iPhone just a little bit easier to use. So now if I turn this slider all the way up to full like so, if I now head over to an application that supports dynamic font size such as the notes on your phone, you'll see now all of our text font is super big and much easier to read. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.